Hello YouTubers, this is going to be my review of the Generation 1 Amazon Basics Desktop Mini Condenser microphone. There are actually two versions of this microphone. There's the Gen 1 and the Gen 2. So I'm going to go through the Gen 1, and this is going to be both an unboxing and a sound test video. So actually the sound test is coming for free because I'm actually recording on it right now. So you can see it comes with the manual. It's very quite simple kind of kit, and basically it comes with the microphone itself and basically a Star 4 Plus tiny little tripod thing that it stands up on, and it basically is able to get 16-bit 48 kilohertz sample rate, which is actually surprisingly good for a microphone of this price point. It does basically, if you listen to what I'm hearing from my voice right now, you do probably will require a pop filter to reduce any of the plosive P's and B's that you're hearing. If I say Peter, Piper, for example. It's not the best material. It is made out of all plastic, as you can see from my little unboxing there. And I'm standing it up. I was having some issues standing the legs up, as you can see right there, but once you get it to stand up, it's fine. You can also mount this wherever you want to mount it on, so that's pretty good. There are no buttons on the mic except the large mute button on top, as you can see. There is a small LED light that shines blue when it's plugged in and red when it's muted. And there are no USB drivers or anything. It works fairly well from my testing. Basically just plug it in and that's it. It's designed to just be a decent mic for video calling, streaming, or even just basic podcasting, which is what I'm probably doing right now. Its primary competition is the Blue Yeti Snowball. So I don't have a Blue a Yeti Snowball, so I don't know if the Snowball sounds better or worse, but I think the quality is fairly good for it. You can see from the top it's very basic. There's the little USB plug that you can plug the phone from. I mean the microphone for. The Gen 2 does have extra features, but I did get this microphone on sale from Amazon. So I think there was a price difference of around $15. And so what Gen 2 adds is basically it allows for omnidirectional pickup. This basically only has polar cardioid pickup, which is basically doing the heart-shaped pickup pattern. So the cardioid pattern, since it only picks up in one direction, it's actually really good for basically reducing any background noises and capturing or not picking up any ambient noises, while the omnidirectional would be probably better for getting sound equally. So if you're singing, which I don't sing, so that's basically most YouTubers who do require music playback or they're playing on instruments will probably benefit more from an omnidirectional mic than this cardioid pattern. But yeah, so I'm basically, you can see the mic is pretty close to my mouth right now, so I'm gonna pull it down back a little so you can hear the difference. in sound quality. I'm going to rotate it, so my voice should be diminishing. I'm going to move it. Just going to go in a circle, and you can hear my voice right now. And this is basically giving you a sense of what it will sound. And now I'm going to put it really close, and it's probably going to sound a bit more distorted. Bring it back out. So yeah, this is how it sounds. So if you like this mic, you can pick it up on Amazon. And what I really like about this mic is because there are no buttons, it basically only has a mute button on top. It mutes it and unmutes it, so it's really easy to use, and found it really easy in the sense that it is plug and play and there were no drivers to install. The only cons I would say about this mic is probably just the construction of this mic. So you saw I was having some issues initially just like putting it up, and you're probably not going to get super great quality from like a $100 or $200 mic, or this is USB, so it's not an XLR mic, so the sound quality is not going to be like studio quality. But from my own testing and from what you can hear, I'm actually really happy for what I paid for this. So you can pick this up on Amazon if you like it, and if you like my channel, definitely give me post some comments on how you like this, and if you want me to do more reviews on products. But most of all, if you want to see more content and be updated when I add new videos, please subscribe. Have a great day.